This year, Boeing stunned the world by halting plane production for China. For decades, Boeing jets symbolized American industrial might. Now, brand new aircraft built for Chinese airlines sit idle in the US. This isn't just a business hiccup, it's a direct result of the escalating US-China trade war. China ordered its airlines to stop new Boeing orders and suspended deliveries, responding to new American trade policies. Boeing's once busy factories have gone quiet, representing billions in lost revenue and a deep fracture in US-China relations. China accounts for about 1/5 of Boeing's commercial sales. Losing that market is a devastating blow. Boeing's share price tumbled, but the impact goes far beyond Wall Street. Thousands of workers and suppliers now face uncertainty as production lines stall. Imagine building a complex jet, only to be told the buyer won't take it. That's Boeing's reality. Around 10 737 MAX jets nearly ready for Chinese carriers are now stuck in limbo. This isn't just a headline, it's a crisis threatening Boeing's future and the entire aerospace industry. The halt signals a major shift in global commerce, with ripple effects across the Pacific. For Boeing, the stakes couldn't be higher. The world is watching as one of America's most iconic companies faces an unprecedented challenge. The skies have truly turned stormy for Boeing. Boeing's crisis is rooted in the fierce US-China trade war. Earlier this year, the US imposed tariffs up to 145% on Chinese goods, aiming to pressure Beijing and protect American industries. China hit back with 125% tariffs on US products and, crucially, ordered its airlines to halt all new Boeing orders. The ban also included a stop on buying US airplane parts, a strategic blow to America's largest exporter. This tit-for-tat has plunged both nations into their most serious trade dispute in decades. Global supply chains are now tangled in uncertainty and rising costs. Boeing, which relies on international sales for 2/3 of its orders, is now a pawn in a geopolitical chess game. The ban transformed a multi-billion-dollar business relationship into a symbol of broken global order. The fallout extends beyond planes. Other sectors like chips and pharmaceuticals are now under scrutiny. The US and China, once economic partners, now treat each other as strategic rivals. Using Boeing as a bargaining chip shows just how high the stakes have become. The world is watching to see who will blink first. For now, the trade war's new front line runs straight through Boeing's factories. The company's future, and the future of global trade, hangs in the balance. The next move could reshape the industry for years. The question, who will give in first? The impact on Boeing has been immediate and severe. The halt in Chinese deliveries punched a massive hole in Boeing's financial forecasts, sending shares tumbling. Without China, Boeing faces lower revenues, reduced profits, and tough decisions about jobs and investments. Thousands of skilled workers now face layoffs or furloughs as production slows. The pain spreads beyond Boeing. Suppliers across the US are seeing orders dry up, threatening their survival. The aerospace supply chain, from engines to electronics, is feeling the squeeze. Even before the ban, Boeing warned that tariffs could disrupt essential parts. Now, many smaller firms face their own financial crises. Boeing was already struggling with safety issues and strikes. The China ban compounds its troubles. The company, once a symbol of global connection, is now caught in a political crossfire. The pressure to find a solution has never been greater. The US-China dispute is causing turbulence for airlines worldwide. Chinese carriers, planning for growth with new Boeing jets, now face uncertainty and stalled expansion. Without new planes, airlines may cut routes or raise ticket prices, affecting travelers everywhere. The crisis isn't limited to China. European airlines like Ryanair are delaying Boeing orders due to rising costs. The global aviation market is deeply interconnected. A dispute between two giants disrupts everyone. The aerospace supply chain is fragile. Modern jets rely on parts from dozens of countries. US and Chinese restrictions threaten to break these links, affecting even Airbus, Boeing's main rival. Airbus faces its own supply issues, showing no one is immune. Passengers may see higher fares and fewer flight options as airlines operate older, less efficient planes. Less competition and higher costs could reverse decades of affordable air travel. The world feels a little bigger and more expensive again. The supply chain squeeze is real and its effects are global. Boeing's crisis is an opportunity for rivals, but it's not so simple. Airbus, the European giant, could benefit from China's ban on Boeing, but it's already stretched to capacity and facing its own supply bottlenecks. Even if Airbus wanted to fill the gap, it can't build planes fast enough. Meanwhile, China's state-backed COMAC is eager to step in. The C-919 jet is designed to compete with Boeing and Airbus, but production is limited and still relies on Western technology. The trade war could accelerate China's push for a self-sufficient aerospace industry. In the short term, COMAC can't replace Boeing, but in the long run, it could become a powerful new competitor. By shutting out Boeing, the US may be fueling the rise of a rival it once feared. The global aviation landscape is shifting. The next decade could see a new player emerge. This crisis is years in the making. Tensions between Boeing and China have simmered since the 737 MAX crashes in 2018 and 2019. China was the first to ground the jet, signaling its independence from US regulators. Even after recertification, China delayed approval, intertwining safety with politics. Trade policies and protectionism put Boeing in a tough spot, caught between US interests and its biggest international customer. Boeing's calls for dialogue were often drowned out by political rhetoric. The company became a symbol of the fragile US-China economic relationship. The latest tariffs were just the spark. Years of mistrust set the stage. For China, blocking Boeing is both retaliation and a step toward self-reliance. The partnership, once prosperous, has eroded over time. This isn't a sudden storm, it's a hurricane years in the making. The fallout is reshaping the future of aviation. What's next for Boeing and global aviation? Some analysts hope the ban is temporary. China needs planes and Boeing needs sales, so both sides may return to the table. A quick deal could restart deliveries and limit the damage. But if the standoff drags on, Boeing faces deep cuts, layoffs, and a scramble to find new buyers. Possibly in India, but that's no easy fix. A prolonged freeze would accelerate China's push for a homegrown aerospace industry, threatening the Boeing-Airbus duopoly. The US risks losing dominance in a key sector while China rises as a competitor. The crisis is a warning for global companies about the risks of geopolitical rivalry. Watch for signs of US-China negotiations, Boeing's production updates, and COMAC's progress. The industry's future depends on these moves. The skies are uncertain, and the next decisions will shape aviation for years. For now, the world holds its breath. The outcome will define the next era of global trade. The stakes have never been higher.